How to record and transcribe on Microsoft Teams. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Microsoft Teams. Now click on more at the top of your screen. Go to record and transcribe and click on it. Now go to start recording and click on it, because when you click on start recording, it records and it also transcribes. Now once you're on mute, it starts to transcribe. You can also change the language if you want. Now if you also go back to more and you go to record and transcribe, you can also stop the transcription and you can also stop the recording if you would like. Now everything is just up to you what you would like to do with this particular meeting, and this is how you record and transcribe on Microsoft Teams. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.